Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we're going to put in some rocket glides for my Stitch. Skiff started making, made blades, started making washers for the Microtech knives. So this would work in an MSI, I believe it works the Enduro or whatever that one other one is, and it works in the Stitch, the one I have. And I also know Original Goat is making scales for the MSI, but they should also be making scales, or at least they're considering making scales for the Stitch as well. So let's take this nice knife apart and let's figure out what we've got here. So I think these might be T8s. Let's see. Okay, this is definitely going to be like a, I want to say maybe a T15. Yeah, T15. All right. Okay, we're going to need some leverage. I don't know if this needs to come off. Well, let's see. Is it? Probably not. May not have needed to take that one off. Let me just put this one back on. I don't think this is attached all the way through. So the more I think about it, let me just leave this back on. I'll switch over to this. I have a little better ability to spin it. Once I got it out, I think I'm okay. Got that off. Got another pivot. So let's clean this up a little bit. That goes on the wrong side. There we go. So a D-shaped pivot, which means this is going to go right in here, like that. So here are the multi-row caged bearings. Those are in a kind of a resin, polymer, I don't know what we'll call it, sort of captive, whatever. Now the only thing that I find with these, you'll always find some wear, some extra stuff that sticks off to the side. That to me is why I would prefer to use Skiff, because they're made out of phosphor bronze washers that are milled out. It's much more solid, in my opinion. So let's put a little oil on there. One more time, let's clean the blade. Oops. Open the back spacer. Put a little more oil in there. All right, getting that together. All right, making sure we're getting those things together. All right, let's put a little oil on the RAM-LOK here. All right, there we go. Now let me put skiff washers in a stitch in Microtech, golly, late, Microtech Stitch. Must be getting tired. All right, so there we go, Microtech Stitch. We got some skiff washers in there, and if you're curious what they take, they do take these 8mm pivot, 1/16 ball, 20 ball count. It's a multi-row, very similar to this. 0.32 inner diameter, 0.56 outer diameter, and the thickness of the washers themselves are 0.05. Right? So that is that is installation of skiff washers from Microtech Stitch. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I like it. All right, so this is the 85 nano oil weight, nano oil. That's what we call the heavy, and then the normal nano oil is this 10 weight nano oil. Use this in all my knives. Definitely some good stuff. So, all right, so there you go. If you were curious, that works out really, really well. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, or worthwhile, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out the channel, allows the channel to grow, produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you especially to all of those of you who watch, who like, subscribe, and watch the video content. I sure appreciate you very, very much. You have no idea. And to all my channel members, a big thank you, a huge, huge thank you. You've been around, some of you have been around since the very beginning, and I just want to say thank you. I want to say thank you for just supporting the channel and everything I do here, so thank you to you guys, especially. You mean the world to me. If you didn't know, I do a once-a-month giveaway for channel members, so hey, sign up if you want to be part of that. I have different tiers. I have very low, high, medium level tiers, so something for everybody. I just want you to know it's not, very, very much options there. And also, if you just became a channel member, or you've been a channel member for a while and you haven't asked it, email me with your name and your address, and I'll ship you out a sticker. I always like to do that. And at the top tier, there's a special sticker that you get for top tier Rob's Nerdy Knives. So let me know. Let me know so I can go ahead and mail you out a sticker. So thank you again. Sure do appreciate you. And also, if you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.